Hello and welcome to my 2021 review video for my design studio. I just wanted to share insights like how I'm just chatting. I just wanted to show you what worked last year for me, what I learned. So one of the things I learned was making watercolor clip art. So this I made llamas and cherry blossom, and these are like, it took me almost 2 weeks, 3 weeks to make each set. So one of the sets I made was cupcakes. So here it is, these cupcakes. So I'll show you. First of all, I made them like this. I painted them, and I used some of them, not all of them. So this is how I painted them, and you can see here, this one I used and this one I did not use because I don't think it looks good. So I painted these, scanned those, and then turned them into watercolor clip art like that. So I'm showing you some process, how I drew and painted these clip art cupcake clip arts. So this is what I did, and then you can see you can use these in the high quality prints. So you can use these clip arts like this design. Now you can, it's so high quality, and I learned from very good people. So all I learned from free tutorials from YouTube, and this is I created these art and then scanned them, and these are high quality. And I learned in the school, in my design school, how to make high quality designs. So now these can be used as sublimation designs. They can be printed, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different cupcakes you can get. So this is how I build this clip art set. So I just wanted to share with you that what I worked on 2020 in 2021 and what is profitable. So I knew how to draw and paint, but convert these paintings into clip art like that, it took a lot of learning. Thank you, and I'll be making more watercolor clip art, and I will keep you posted. Take care.